Big Dave and Lou roll into Sengs for a feast. Dinner for two, because bad decisions are best made in pairs. Big Dave, the man behind the Worst Food Review channel, has spent years proving that portion control is overrated and that calorie counting is for quitters. Tonight, he's dragging Lou along for the ride, because nothing says romance like deep-fried nostalgia and thick, questionable sauces. On the table, classic Canadian-style Chinese takeout, sweet, saucy, and unapologetically retro. Pad Thai joins the mix, because if you're going fusion, might as well go all in. Will this meal be a match made in takeout heaven, or just another reason for Big Dave's belt to surrender? No turning back now. The food is here, the hunger is real, and this review is about to be legendary. Let's eat.
China Garden was here for a long time, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
It didn't have a very good rating. I didn't think it was great, did you?
No.
I wasn't a huge lover of it, but I was a huge lover of the restaurant I used to be a partner of. I don't know, I'm hoping this place is great. The reviews are all 5-star on here right now. It's got 14, and they're all 5-star. Hello, how are you? Good. Are you Seng?
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm Dave. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How long have you been here now? About a year? Close to a year you've been? No, not that long?
6, 7 months.
6 or 7 months?
Yeah.
You enjoying it?
Yeah, not too good, not too bad.
Not too bad?
Not too good and not too bad.
Not too good and not too bad.
Yeah.
Is it okay if we dine in?
Yeah.
I saw something that said you had the best pad thai in town, so that's why I had to come.
Yeah, not too bad, but like this one here,
Yes, that's the sign I saw.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I come from this one. This one, the best I sold every year, like a 4 to 500,000, only this one.
Really, eh?
Yeah, in the viral. Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Okay, here we are. This is Sengs, Chinese and Thai fusion, Adelaide Street. I got the address here, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I should put glasses on.
566 Adelaide Street North.
It's not far from, is that Elias?
Yes.
No, Elias maybe? Yeah, it's pretty close. It looks nice in here, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. The last time I was in here, it was China Garden.
Yes.
And this was all closed off, and it was dark, and
It was kind of just
furniture
storage.
was
They have
stacked up.
boxes
Yes,
and stuff
yes.
stacked up in here. Now this had a dine-in restaurant when the China Garden first opened. They just, a lot of Chinese restaurants closed their eat-in restaurants down during COVID.
Yes.
And I think China Garden closed it down long before that.
Yes.
It didn't have great reviews, 3.3 stars. This one has great reviews, 5 stars. They've had another restaurant, or do have another restaurant in town. He just opened this one, his daughter runs it. I didn't get the name of it, it's on his shirt, but it's in Byron, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm more here for the Chinese food, but you're a big pad thai lover.
I am.
I think maybe we'll stick to the basics when we order, but we'll definitely get pad thai.
Okay.
You agree?
I do.
Let's get this ordered up and we'll be right back. Thank you very much. Hi. Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Let's have two, please.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
So it's kind of built on the built model here, I think.
Yes.
They probably don't do a whole lot of dine-in, but hey, maybe that'll change. Chicken balls are monsters.
Holy cow.
Do you agree?
They're like the size of a hard ball.
They are. Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, everything's coming out. We're going to show it as we go. What do you think?
I think so.
Oh man, look at the size of the chicken in there.
Wow.
Usually it's so small pieces. I'm getting ahead of myself. Should we start eating while the food's still coming out? We should start.
I think so.
Egg roll. I got you.
Oh, thank you. Alright.
No knife.
No nice. That's going to be interesting when we go through chicken balls.
Yes, I want to see you put one of them in your mouth. Okay, I'm going to give this a little try. What's your regular? Every Chinese restaurant in town pretty much has wings sauces, right? How's it look inside?
Ooh,
Is it?
it looks good.
It's nice and crispy, isn't it? Extreme close-up. Okay.
They are warm.
They are really warm. They just definitely come out. Almost a peppery flavor to it.
Do you think that's a homemade one?
I think so. You?
I do.
That's definitely not a protein egg roll. No. Sweet and sour sauce is deeper than you normally see it, isn't it? Mm-hmm. That's a fine egg roll.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Yep, it's good. It's delicious. Awesome, thank you very much. Do we want to show some of this stuff here first?
I think so.
Good size order. Chicken fried rice, right?
Oh, yes.
It looks fine. Looks great. To me. Here, do you want that?
Yeah. Ooh, hot, hot, hot.
Just came from a hot place.
Well, yes. I mean, you're not going to get it any fresher.
No.
Oh, there's tons of chicken through this.
Really, you get used to going to a lot of Chinese, and there's just a few pieces of chicken. It's mostly just like rice.
So aromatic.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
Oh,
Very good.
I am even more excited. I was excited. I love Chinese food. Chicken chop suey, right? Mm-hmm. Look at the chicken in that. It's huge.
Yes, they don't skimp on
You don't
meat.
skimp on the protein.
No.
Definitely not. I can't get over the amount of protein that's in this.
I know.
Oh, and it looks so fresh, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, ball time. All right, you got to give me a shot of these. Look at the size of these things. They got way too. I've never had this much. I cannot believe these. I really can't. Look at them. Oh my God! If they're not all done, they're gonna be amazing.
Chicken pad thai, the beef pad thai is
The beef.
Yeah.
You try the pad thai chicken.
Oh,
After
okay.
you're gonna bring the beef.
Oh, okay.
You just try this one.
We will try this one. Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
You made this
you.
special.
Yeah.
Okay, we got beef pad thai because we had a lot of chicken. They want to make sure we try the chicken pad thai. Are we gonna try that one first, or do you want to try the? We might as well try the sweet on our plate, and then we'll try the big balls, right?
Yes.
Okay. The rice first. I like it. I like a lot of soy sauce on mine. I'm a little weird. I'm like all Canadians, but put way too much soy sauce on their Chinese food. It's fine just like this. Chicken chop suey.
The other vegetables in here are a nice thin, like a julienne.
Oh, it's good. I miss good Chinese food like this. You just can't. This is to my taste so far. Look, I can hide behind this thing almost. Okay, are you gonna cut it with the fork?
We try and do the fork cut.
Okay. Disappointment. Okay. All right.
Well, it is a
It's a good size piece of
good
chicken.
sized chunk.
It's a lot of ball,
It's a lot of, yeah.
but it's still a fair amount. Like I've seen chicken, like it's just size. It's still a good size amount of chicken.
Yes.
But it's a lot of ball.
Yes.
Do you want to try the sauce?
Alrighty.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a bite right off this one.
The meat's perfectly cooked all the way through. The batter on the outside is cooked all the way through.
Oh, thank you very much. We'll look at that in a minute. Yeah, I think the flavors are all good. It's too much dough for me. Chicken pad thai. Best in the city. Bold claim. Penton is in this city.
It looks good.
Does look good. Now, Lucinda is a real pad thai aficionado between us. Would you agree?
Yeah, I like it more than you.
Yes, you do. It's got the nuts on there. You like that, right?
I do. It's got nuts and fresh cut green onions.
Right? Looks like a lot of protein in there again, right? A lot of chicken. You know, and that's why I think you know, a lot of these places used to kind of rip you off on the protein sometimes. That's not happening here, is it?
Nope, it smells good.
It does smell good. All right.
Nice. It's got a sweet
It's got a lot of flavor
aftertaste.
to it.
Yeah, very good.
I think it's great, but Lucinda's the one that's gonna, she's the one whose opinion's gonna matter on this one, I think.
No, I think it's quite good. It's got a lot of cooked egg in there. Lots of egg and lots of chicken.
I didn't try the chicken.
It's very flavorful.
You know, they just brought this out, so it's not the size of the regular order. This is like a small order they got, right? That they brought us to try. I think the problem, the chicken one is a popular one, I'm gonna say. So getting the beef one. This one here got some weight to it though.
And it's a different color.
It is a different color, right?
Yes.
That one's much redder.
Yes. And this one is browner.
We're gonna both try to get it out here at the same time. It's packed in there, isn't it?
Oh, it is.
All right. I'm getting it everywhere. All right. This is the last thing we got to try, right? Other than fortune cookies, we're not gonna try them, right?
So, it's got a similar taste. It doesn't have the sweet aftertaste,
I like it better personally.
but it is good. Really good.
Try the Chinatown. I just give you guys some.
Oh, what's
try.
this?
The Chinatown chicken.
Oh, okay.
Ooh.
Try one, and how is it? Just give for try.
Thank you.
how the pad thai?
The pad thai was delicious. She really enjoyed it. I'm not a big pad thai fan as she is, but she really loves pad thai.
Yeah.
So she liked the pad thai.
This one I give you guys. Just taste you guys. Yeah.
Well, I like that. What is this?
Chinatown Chinatown
Oh,
chicken.
General Tao.
Yeah,
That
I
is good.
can make the hot too. I can make the flake, chili flake.
Right,
on
you
top.
can chili flake to make it
Yeah.
spicier.
Yeah, depend the people how they order.
I really like that. I think that's
That's
really
my style.
I have just mean the same thing, but the honey
right,
different and what they call lemon
right.
and sweet and sour. I have 4 kind of this. I go into this size, another thing like
Right.
Ah,
Thank you.
No, that's
delicious.
very good.
Very, very good.
I want to give you guys try how is it.
Thank you. I appreciate that. That over the chicken balls, in my opinion, that's fire.
yeah.
That was
that's
really good. He knew the right stuff to bring us.
Yeah.
We didn't order all the right stuff. He wanted to make sure we got fire chicken balls. They're good. I prefer them with less batter. They can use the same size piece of chicken,
Yes.
just less batter on them.
Yeah.
But you know, I'm super fat. Shouldn't eat too many carbs. So we got a couple of free things, but the price of this was $36, I think, for the dinner for 2,
Yes.
and 16 or 17 bucks for the pad thai, right?
Yes.
Food's going up everywhere. You know, and Chinese food was never actually cheap.
No.
But hey, I think this place is all right.
Yes.
I'm going to come back. I'm looking for a place like this.
Definitely.
I'm going to try the Sioux Guy next time I come in. Comment below if you want us to come back. Seng, Mr. Seng,
Yes.
super person.
Yes.
Anything you think you add to this, Lucinda?
Nope, we should wrap it up.
We're going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, share. Look for us next time. I'm Big Dave.
And I'm Lucinda. Bye-bye.
Alright folks, you've made it through another Worst Food Review Channel adventure. But now, it's time to take things off screen and into real life. Join Big Dave for a legendary meet and greet on June 22nd at the 427 Wing Cafe, 2155 Crumlin Road, London, Ontario. We kick off at 9:30 a.m., and trust me, it's gonna be big, like his appetite. And hey, if you mention Big Dave at checkout, you'll knock $2 off the buffet, because we eat big, but we save smart. Pull up, grab a plate, and let's make some memories. See you there.